Traveling with children is never easy, but having the right gear and organization can make such a big difference. Hey everyone, it's Erica. I've uploaded a lot of travel content on this channel. However, this video is different because I finally was able to take my toddler son on his first plane ride back home to San Francisco, where he was able to meet his family for the first time. One of the best things of having my divorce finalized. So today I wanted to show you guys some of my new latest and greatest favorites that I have been using in the past few trips with him and for myself. This video is great for anybody, but especially for my moms that travel with young children or families looking for really good bags. There's a mix of high and low price points in this video. Anything that's in the higher price point, I'm going to be linking alternatives for you guys down below. Or if you guys are just interested in the budget-friendly Amazon finds, I just launched my storefront so you guys can click through and shop this entire video with ease from there. First, new favorite find is a trio set that I got at Nordstrom, and it is the very popular MZ WALLACE collection. I got the Metro backpack, the large Metro tote, and the Metro large duffel. I was gonna buy just one or two of these, but after trying it out in the store, I became completely obsessed and I got the entire set, and I don't regret it because I'm able to mix and match 2 out of the 3, or sometimes I bring all 3, or I just use it in my daily life. The reason why I think this is so popular and why I personally love it is that it is the most lightweight bags that I think I have ever tried. It's a luxurious type of finish with that nice puffy quilting, and I'm telling you, it literally feels weightless for the amount of capacity you can have for each one of these bags. Even though it's very lightweight and puffy, this is supposed to be a very resilient bag. I've only taken it on about like 4 or 5 trips so far, and I really put my bags through the ringer, and I haven't had any tears or issues yet. So I'll continue to test these for you guys, but as a single mom, or if you're traveling with kids, I'm all about maximizing the storage capacity with the minimal amount of weight that you're starting off with, which is why I like it. And I'm a petite girl. I'm only 100 pounds. I'm 5'2", just for reference when you're looking at the screen at the overlays here. But let's start off with the duffel bag. This is an amazing weekender bag. If you don't overpack it, you can definitely use it as a personal item. This is a proof here. I'm on an aisle row and I was able to fit it in there. But this duffel bag is amazing. It's very modular and square. Here you can see me packing it with a multitude of different things. And then on the end caps of the duffel, you have really sizable big pockets along with smaller interior pockets, zippered and unzippered. And then my favorite thing about all of these bags is these secret pockets. You have these little micro pockets that are hidden on the top for quick access things like your cell phone, your wallet, and then you have a trolley pass on this duffel bag too. So you can zip it up to have a nice wide exterior magnetic clasp pocket, or you can zip it open and put it on top of your carry-on rolly luggage. If you're into the duffel shape with the compartmentalization, I highly recommend this bag. The second one is the large Metro tote. Like, for a tote bag enthusiast, this was like, oh, this is the biggest tote bag ever, and let me tell you why. So you have one big large crevasse for the majority of your items, and then the actual fabric leeway that they give you before you reach the zipper is so long that you can literally have that thing packed to the gills open and still zip it up. And then on the outer side, you again have those 2 little secret magic pockets for your smaller quick access items. And then you have that large exterior pocket that can be a trolley pass. This also has really nice plushy, puffy straps for shoulder straps with leather accent patches. And then you have an exterior messenger bag strap that you can do crossbody to help alleviate the weight. I am obsessed. I am not a minimalist mom quite yet. I'm trying to get there, but whether it's the duffel or the tote bag, I mean, you can fit so much stuff in here as you can see on screen. And then the third item is the Metro backpack. It fits my 16-inch laptop. It fits my iPad, the miscellaneous things. You have 2 exterior side pockets for water bottles, and then you have 1 big exterior zipper pocket in the front. Then you have the back panel, which is cool because you can also slip like an iPad in there. You can have it zippered for that, or you can unzip it to also have it for a trolley pass. All in all, I know this was a very big investment for these 3 items, but I've been interested in it for so long and it did not disappoint. The lightweightness, the maximum capacity storage, all of the pockets for organization, and for the tote bag and the duffel, it came with the MZ WALLACE trio pack of packable pouches, which at first I was like, dude, these are so flimsy, but they're amazing. Especially if you like more privacy, I'm able to fit little miscellaneous things for me or Clark. The medium size is great for his diaper change go bag. And then the large one I love packing for my dirty laundry. And literally you can condense it to just like literally a palm size. So for a quick organization to go on the way or when you're at your destination, this is such a fabulous added bonus for the investment of the bag. If these are too pricey for you, I try to find equal capacity alternatives on Amazon that are more affordable and priced for you guys. You can check it out on my Amazon store or down below. Next thing that I needed to invest in was a new stroller. I have the Upper Baby Vista version 2, and as much as I love that stroller, being a single mom and sometimes Clark just wants to be carried, like I needed a lightweight stroller. So I bought the stroller specifically for his first plane ride and being able to go back with him to California. And now I end up using the stroller like every day. So this stroller is amazing because it's incredibly lightweight. I will put the poundage on the screen. It is so lightweight, you guys, and it packs such a punch in terms of features. So you have this cool trolley handle that you can wheel it around whenever it's folded up. The actual function of opening it is very easy, especially because it's lightweight. I can just fling it open and it locks very easily. The handle you can get a little bit used to. It's just a simple like moving of the mechanism while crunching the bottom, and then it will collapse down. What I really like about this is the sunshade, especially in Colorado when it's super sunny, and especially also in California. The sunshade comes down really, really far to give good sun coverage. And then you have this like extra foldable sun visor that has an elasticized band, and you could tuck it over the safety handle. And if that's too much, you could also unzipper that crunchy UV visor bottom. And then for the petite size of the stroller, you actually have a basket on the bottom. You can fit a very thin blanket or backpack down there. And then the actual comfort for your child's legs, you can fold it down or you can lock it up and then pull that trolley mechanism out so that your child's legs can rest outright. It comes with a easy little cup holder on the side. It's not the most sturdy, but it's enough to do for Clark's water bottle. Overall, I'm so satisfied with this stroller, and because of the lightweightness, the compactness, I use it more frequently. It's pretty much my go-to stroller now, whether I'm traveling or just putting around the city. Now, for the secret thing is whenever you have to gate check the stroller at the gate, I found the perfect storage bag for this exact stroller. It's the Dimpa bag from IKEA. I love it because it just perfectly fits it. It has two handy straps and it's like a nice frosted clear thing so you can kind of see what's inside of it. It's just like the perfect size. It's not too big. I tried to buy one of those huge ones from Amazon that fits the car seat and it was just too overwhelming for my petite size. This one is absolutely perfect, specifically for the stroller. So I just want to give you guys my little hack there. Now, what do you do with the kid when you get to your destination? They need to go into a car. I'm very fortunate because San Francisco is my home. I had a car seat waiting for me when I got there, but I also needed to take Ubers around the town with Clark, or maybe if I travel with him in the future and we don't have the car seat option, there is this amazing thing called the Rider Safe Travel Vest. This was recommended to me from my friend who would take her son over to Europe when they didn't have, again, car seat options. Please look at these safety features and the videos on their site to check out how to do it, but basically you suit up your kid with this vest and it's very comfortable. Make sure to get the right size for your child's specific weight, and then you're able to run the car seat belt through the allotted brackets along the vest. You have these red arrows for indicators, and basically it adjusts an adult size car seat belt to fit your child so that he's nestled in and safe. He or she, excuse me. It's brilliant, and it comes with a nice little mesh bag, so I just throw it with me and have it handy, especially if you're city living. It can be a lifesaver when you're in a pinch, but most of the time I always like to use a car seat as much as possible. But as backup, there's this option. Next, like essentially type of traveler items, if you guys need a high chair, I highly recommend this one. I don't take it with me nowadays because I've got options where I'm at in San Francisco for Clark, but if you need something, this is so cool. It's a high chair that basically brackets onto the ledge of a different countertop or table, and your kid is like perfectly suspended. And then I also got the attachable table so that they can eat in their own chaotic singularity with their food, and it has a little cup holder divot in it too. So that's a great option in case you guys are looking for a high chair. Sorry, the one that that I'm showing is so messy. Clearly, I've loved and used this one even at my own home. And then something that I haven't used yet, but I have it sitting in the closet, is this inflatable toddler bed. Clark and I normally just snuggle into the same bed, whether it's a twin size bed, queen size bed, and then I use these bed rails for him, which again, I'm going home to like where my family is, so I have these options there. But in case you don't, I do have this one sitting in there, and it's highly rated. It's an inflatable toddler bed, so it's almost like an air mattress, but for kids. And I thought that it was a really great option, and I just haven't used it yet, but I know that it's highly rated. Definitely check that out if you're looking for one. Okay, toddlers, they gotta have snacks. So there's two things that I absolutely love. The one that I use the most often is the Whiskware snackable towers. I pretty much have this in my purse or in my car everywhere I go. And the great thing about this is that you can use it for your snacks or your kids' snacks. So I like to do sweet and savory mix for Clark and isolate them in like these different mixes. And it comes in two different sizes. You have the bigger size and then you have the shallower size. It's amazing because I can also fit my matcha latte mix in the shallower one, and I have like a latte to go. It's amazing. You have the top handle, you can mix and match. I have all the Star Wars collection. I actually got these at Costco, by the way, but they also have many different colors and styles, Disney, Star Wars, on Amazon for you to check out. And I love it too because you can unscrew them and have like a little picnic wherever you are for your kid. It's the cutest thing ever. I love it. And it fits really nice because it's like a vertical stack. Anyway, I'm gushing. Another option that's not so cylindrical and tall is the Gobi disc wheel. This one's cool. It just has like smaller portions. It's great for like a one single serving kind of snack, but you basically press the wheel button, which is nice and tactile for your child, and then it spins the wheel around so he's got all the variety. It's really cool. So this one is nice if you need more of a flat surface or you need more of a variety of different types of smaller quantity snacks to bring. Okay, for organization, I wanted to show again some more budget friendly options because I use the truffle ones a lot for myself, but they're very expensive. I have tried and used some of these Amazon options for the past year and I swear by them. So I have the simple, more aesthetic, clear, plasticky type of PVC, black edged ones. Then I have a very TSA specific approved quart size ones, or I have the two different colors, multi-massive pack of these frosted grid textured ones. You can organize pretty much anything in your house with these, small little game pieces or cosmetics or toys or papers, like any type of product you can organize with it, and they're the go-to things that I use for traveling. I mix and match these, especially with the MZ WALLACE option ones. Sometimes I will file things in like a clear PVC plastic one and then put it in like the frosted one. The color options are great if you have a couple of different kids. You can color code per kid, you can color code per category. I pretty much mix and match all of these depending on what I'm bringing, and they are just such a godsend. And it's so cool too because you can slot them and file them nice and vertically in tote bags, duffel bags. I swear by these. Then for a bigger gusseted option, I also love these TSA quart size rectangular options. I like to use it for myself for my toiletries. I like it because it fits my Cadence travel size capsules in there. It fits pretty much all of my toiletries. It's very simple, clean, you can see through it, and it's also affordable, and it comes in packs of 2 or 3. Then next option are the Cadence bottles. I got a second color that I can use and mix and match for Clark specific individual size items versus mine. I love these because you can interchange the tiles and customize the labels. These are spill proof, airtight, magnetic individual size capsules where you can fit, I think, 0.56, 1 ounce and just under 3 ounce sizes of any of your skincare routine or shampoos. Clark has specific stuff that I want to take for him, so I got him a second color so we could mix and match. It's really cute. I'll link some other alternative Amazon favorites for those for you guys. And then the last thing for any new moms out there, a changing pad is really helpful just because you don't know how dirty the folding tables are whenever you're at the airport or at different bathrooms. So this one that I have on screen is like one that I got like way long time ago. You have the option of doing the one that I have that's super flat, super compact, that you can slide into one of those zippered organizational clear pouches, or you can do a more supersized one that has different compartments where you can slide the wipes in and your diaper cream. So it's a little bit bulkier, but it's like more all-inclusive and comprehensive. I linked 2 different options for you guys that are the highest rated down below. And then for some random comfier things, I found this on Amazon and I thought it was so cute, and actually left it in San Francisco for Clark, but it's called the My Toddler Travel Pillow. It's just the most perfect sized toddler pillow, not only for the distance from their shoulder to their neck to lay down and be comfortable, but it's nice and petite in case your kid might have anxiety, and have them be able to sleep more comfortably on the plane, especially if you have a longer flight. It's really cute. It comes with its own pillowcase. I'm gonna buy a secondary one so that I can keep trading off and not miss a beat. The second thing that I've had for him, this is a luxury type of item, but I absolutely love the little giraffe blankets, and I'm so glad I got him the small size one because it's a great travel blanket to cover his legs whenever he's in the stroller, or just, again, another comforting piece. My son likes soft, comfy stuff, so that's something that I always like to bring with us. Next, miscellaneous items. I wanted to include my favorite power strip. I have been just loving this for every single trip, with or without my kid. This is the perfect power strip that comes with like a typical plug, but it also comes with USB-C and USB ports, and it also has like a longer cord so that it's a little bit of an extension too. I'm able to charge pretty much everything I need from my phone, my AirPods, my camera, technology. It's just the perfect on-the-go thing, and especially when you're at the airport and there's only one plug left, you can plug the sucker in and get like all the charging. It's great and it's compact, and then you can wrap and fold it up really nicely. I love this one. I also saw a flatter version that was really cool, so I linked that one for you guys down below too. But anyway, also be sure to pack a power bank in case your cell phone goes out, your kid's electronics goes out, anything goes out. This one is my absolute favorite that hasn't failed me yet. It's nice and slim, it's high capacity, it's got 2 USB ports on there along with a USB-C, and it also has like this electronic paw print on there so you can see what the battery capacity is at any moment. It's reliable. Love that one. And then for activities outside of like a tablet or Amazon Fire, which I have such mixed feelings about. Honestly, my ex and I just let our son have this whenever he's traveling on the plane specifically. At home, we just hide it and pretend like it's not working. So if you're opinionated on that and you want other options, I absolutely love the Color Wow books. It's these activity books. They just have a brush pen with it, and you're able to just use water and color over it. It's got like different things where you can like find different stuff hidden in the photo. It's very relaxing even as an adult, but it's no mess. It's something to do that's not technology. And they also have these really cool like scribble boards, but basically it's like a nice rainbow reveal on a black surface where your kids can draw and not have to worry about pens and markers and mess, or bringing on a thick, heavy, coiled spiral notebook. So I'm just a mom. I have no opinions. I'm just sharing all the different options. You do you. You know your child. There ain't no judgment on this channel. All right, so that does it for my first travel favorite products and bags for mothers or families. I'm so excited to get more experience and confidence with traveling with Clark and being able to introduce more items that could be useful for your traveling needs. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below for any other travel related content that you would like to see from me. I love you. I'm sending you my best. Have an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.